In this video, I will show you how to change default PDF viewer in Windows 11. It's very simple. Let's start. First, on your browser, go to search and type in settings. Inside settings, you want to select apps in here. Once you're done, we're going to choose default apps because we're going to change our PDF viewer. Now, in search bar, type in .pdf. So whatever pop-ups here, just click it. And select more apps and look for another app on this PC. Once you're here, go to your disk, program files, and then select Google. Follow it by Chrome, then lastly application. Click this Chrome, and it will automatically change your PDF viewer. Just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.